In front of me is LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening an app called Files that's already on your device. When you find it, click on it. Tap on those three lines at the top left corner. And finally, select Clean at the top. Now it's time to hit Clean next to Junk Files. And last but not least, Clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!